Hey guys, it's Connor here, and today I'm with my brother, and we're unboxing Pokemon that we got at Walmart.
Okay, first show him the big thing.
This is Ho-Oh Break, of course. It's awesome. And
Yeah. He got the big pack that has a whole bunch of stuff, and then he's got this trainer kit with Pikachu Libre or whatever.
Wobble Buffet. Buffet, I think. I don't know what his name is.
Okay, show him all the ones that you got out of the first pack.
Oh my gosh, I can't get it out.
Here, I'll get it out.
Here, get it out. We're about to unbox some Pokemon
You got
with all these
you got that one.
packs. It's so beautiful.
You got that one. And Ho-Oh.
I don't know.
Okay, that's the first one. I guess we're just gonna start unboxing the Pokemon.
Brandon, you go first.
I'll start with mine.
Yours. First Pokemon in the pack was Fennekin.
Here's your knife cutter.
First Pokemon, Fennekin. Second Pokemon, Whismur. What is that?
Seal.
Seal. What is that? Cottony. Riolu.
I don't know that one.
Just
Douchen or what? I don't know.
Kabutops.
A
Trainer.
Fairy drop.
Just put that over there in your stack. What is that?
I don't know, but they can read it, I guess.
Is
And
that-
a
Is that?
I don't even know what that one is. Kabuto. And then here's a code, I guess. For that, if you want to go and get it on there.
Okay, I guess it's my turn. Which
Yeah.
pack should I start with? That one.
That one? Okay.
Pikachu Libre pack. Trainer pack.
Here, I'll start. We'll take turns. I guess you do one of those.
I'll do the Pikachu Libre pack. Pikachu Libre. Concealed. Don't open that one yet.
Okay.
How do you
Here, I'll
open
get-
this?
I'll get it.
Get that. Okay. Don't try this at home. In the meantime, look at this Pikachu
Oh, I just
coin.
accidentally hurt your cool.
You did. Oh, you did.
May or
Did
may
you hurt
not.
it?
Yeah.
Is it stabbed?
Yeah. A little bit, but it's still.
How's it a little bit? It's a piece of paper.
No, it went through. Look, it just made a little bit.
Let me see.
It made a little bit.
Pikachu Libre that my brother almost broke.
I didn't.
Uh,
Here, you want me to do this pack?
an energy card.
Oh, there's a lot of energies. Whoa.
Those are all electric type.
We already
The video cut off.
Yeah, so yeah. I think I was showing off the cards.
Energies.
Yeah, it got a whole bunch of different. Okay.
Good girl. I got a hole.
Okay. It came with an
Electrike.
electric. I don't know that.
Glameow. Is that, I don't know who that is.
We'll just go through them, and then if we find electric or something.
That's the evolution.
Electabuzz, Manectric. Wait, is that really a Manectric?
Yeah, that's Manectric.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I have an EX.
What are you watching?
Trainer.
Evolution. Glameow.
Marley, shut up. Another Electabuzz.
Another Pikachu Libre.
No.
Wait, where's the Pikachu?
Holy crap.
Wait, did I get two?
Yes, you.
Woo!
Another Manectric. Another one of those guys. That one.
You were saying.
Another Electric and Electivire. Okay. I guess.
Two Pikachu Libres.
Show them.
Okay, this.
At least you have one that I didn't stab now. Okay. Both of them. That's pretty
Pikachu
cool.
Libre.
Okay.
Relicant. That is Golurk. Beldum or something.
I'll get this one off.
This is Baltoy. Malamar trainer.
What happened?
You got a
Blossom.
You got a Porygon Z.
Trainer.
Well, then I'm starting it over.
And Whimsicott.
Here, I'm gonna get all the inner. Oh,
All those.
good.
Wait, what pack was that? I just dropped the Pikachu liver. One moment.
I know.
I'm like, wait, what? I'm gonna be upset.
Okay.
While you're waiting, this is a sniper that I got. We may use this as a movie
If
prop.
I see George in this, I'm gonna be upset.
Okay, well, I'm back. Which pack is that?
The other one.
The other one. Did you already show that?
No, I haven't showed them yet. Okay, here we go. So
This is the other
this
one. for the
one we
Pikachu,
have.
right?
Yeah. Okay. We got these guys.
Where'd it go?
Kyler, Eevee. You got an Eevee?
I got an Eevee.
Yeah.
I hate Eevee.
Why?
I already have several.
I hate that
I don't.
A boring one. That I have
Trainer.
like 50 of.
Another one of these guys. A Piplup.
I'm not gonna watch it.
Another trainer.
So many water types.
You got two of these guys again.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it comes with
I
two.
got 2 Pikachu Libras.
Okay. So, I guess now we're gonna go with the, we got a whole bunch of them.
Which pack is that?
The
Fates Collide.
Fates Collide pack. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I don't, not right now.
Be quiet. We have a,
Really telling me to be quiet?
we have to make a video. Pika, or no, what am I saying?
Fates Collide.
Fates Collide pack.
Let's open that up. I'll do the next pack.
Okay. I hope we get something good out of this. Okay, we got it. I don't know the name, so I'm just
Fennekin.
gonna go through.
I have no idea what that is. I
Oh,
can't see
guys out there pushing on the yard, just saying.
it. That's worth a lot of money, I think.
Really?
Bronzer.
I
Rylu.
used to have.
What is that? I
Oh,
already have him.
that's pretty cool though.
Trainer. Who is that?
Oh no.
I'm getting so much Pokemon.
Here,
That's why.
wait. Yeah, here's the code again.
I'll do the next one. Scoot your boot.
I was brain damaged.
Another Fates Collide pack.
No, I mean, why?
They're all freaking.
Oh, great. I already see the first Pokemon. It is a
Holy crap.
Rylu, Volby, Coffee. I can't do his voice. Splink, Diglett, Burmy,
What are you doing?
Mr.
I
Mime,
don't even know who any of these guys are.
Fairy Drop again,
Brandon, I
Loudred,
walked into McDonald's, grabbed these and left.
Galbuto,
Yeah.
and then the
He's
code.
making a Pokemon video.
What?
He's making a Pokemon video because he spent $50 of his money on it. Okay, what do you want to do next?
That one. You do it.
Where'd you get that shoes from?
Pivots.
You know what it is?
What is that?
Even though
Geiger.
the shoes those are.
Yes.
Curry's what?
2.5.
Oh. But these are like.
Crap. Color.
The TV won't turn on.
If you shoot me with that, I'm
I'm not
gonna
gonna.
You got it in my room?
Which TV was that? That's been the whole time.
Oh.
Okay, do that one. Ow!
In my room?
Shut up.
How did you get all this?
Okay.
Okay.
Did that pack?
Yeah, we got
How
one
did
more.
you get all this, Jack?
He spent $50.
Yes.
Holy crap.
We got one more pack to open.
Wait, is
haven't-
this all stuff we got today?
Yeah.
Like, you know, the big red button on the top?
Okay. Okay, this was the last pack.
I thought I was doing this pack.
It doesn't matter.
Fedkin. What is that? Doduo. Chespin. Trainer. What is that?
I don't know.
I'll look through these Pokemon after this and put them all in my binder. Because it's my fault for getting $50
Code.
for the Pokemon.
That was $50.
And then now we have to clean all this stuff up.
Yeah. Okay. See you guys in the next video. Bye.